Is there a cure for tinnitus? No, there isn't a cure, but there are ways to help reduce the torture you suffer every single day. Do you have restless nights? Are you short-tempered? Does your tinnitus make you feel depressed? Does all this combine, the tiredness, the short-temperedness, and the depression affect your work, your family, your life? Well, of course it does. Here at tinnitusreliefwand.com, we know how you feel, and that is why our site is full of hints and tips, as well as product reviews and recommendations to help you reduce that ringing. So please, check us out now and find out why thousands of people per month trust us to help them get their life back.